Hi, Stage 2. Luna and I congratulate you for making it past the planning stage for your Pecha Kucha. Now we welcome you to the presentation part. Now we're going to show you how to create Google Slides for your presentation. So, high five to you. Luna, high five. High five. Luna, look. High five. Good. Okay, so from your student account, you should be able to create a Google Slides presentation, and it should look very similar to you with PowerPoint presentation, okay? Very similar. Once you've opened up a blank Google Slides in your account, first thing you should do is click in the top left-hand corner and actually type the title. So I might just make it really clear for my teacher and just write Mrs. Salazar's Pecha Kucha, because your teacher's going to see about 30 of them or however many of you are in the class. So just make it really clear that it's yours. Now it's a blank slide and it looks quite boring to me, my template at the moment, so I really prefer black because I think it makes things stand out. So I'm going to click on the right here, the black theme, but you might like another theme. But just a word of advice, try to keep it really simple, because I don't like watching presentations that are too busy or too many colors or anything like that. So I'm just going to stick to black and just keep it simple. Now if I go back to my plan, I know that my first slide is a title slide. So I'm going to write my title, which is why I'm going to write a story about Luna. I might write Mrs. Salazar here. Okay, so I've written my title slide, but I'm not really happy with it. I like to experiment with fonts, so I'm just going to highlight it. You can highlight it like that with your mouse, or you can click in the box and you can click Control A and it highlights it straight away for you. Then you're going to click here and click on a font you like. That squeaky noise is Luna. I'm going to click Poppins, that's my favorite font at the moment. I think it's really cute and it's really clear. Control A for my name. I might make that Poppins too. If you put too many fonts on a slide, it's also super distracting, so don't do that. And I might change that to a blue color. And I'm pretty happy with that. I just might adjust it a bit more by clicking and dragging until I'm happy. And now I'm ready to add the slides with the photos. So what I'm going to do is I can click on this plus slide to create a blank new slide. But you can see it has this format that I don't really like. I don't want to spend my time deleting all the boxes. So to delete a slide, you can click delete straight away on your keyboard. So what I'm going to do is, next to the plus you can see this down arrow. I'm going to click on that down arrow and you can see the different slides you can actually choose from. I'm going to choose a blank slide because I want to just add photos on each slide, because we're doing a Pecha Kucha, right? So on my blank slide I'm going to insert a photo. You can go the long way or you can go the short way. The long way is to click Insert, and then you're going to either click an image here, upload from your computer, or search on the web, or if you save photos on your drive like me, it will be there. I like to just click on this little icon here called Image, here with the little mountains. So click on that, and I'm going to click on Drive, and my photos are already there. So this is the first image I want. I just double clicked on it, and straight away it's there. So what I'm going to do is, I don't want the photo to just remain on the side like that, because it doesn't look very good. So I'm going to actually just put it in the middle, and I'm going to look at the boxes on the side. I'm going to put my mouse across over the top of it, click on it and drag it so that it takes more of the slide. I think that looks good. And I can always check that by clicking the present button in the top right hand corner. So I'll just click that, and you can see what it looks like there. Okay, so I've done one, but I still have 18 more slides to add. So again, I'm going to click that arrow pointing down, and I'm going to click blank. Okay, so you're going to keep doing that. You're going to add your images, but you're going to go off the plan. Keep going back to your plan to remember the order that you've put everything in. So I've actually gone ahead and played around with my presentation, and you can see here all my images. So what I'm going to do is actually show you now how to add a timer to your slides. So this part is really important. It's a little bit tricky, so make sure that you're paying attention. So you're going to click, when you're happy with your presentation, you're going to click File, you're going to click Publish to the Web, and you're going to look at this. It should say Link Auto Advanced Slides every 3 seconds. No, we need to click every 20 seconds. Now you're going to see it's not actually there, so we have to be tricky. Yeah, we have to be clever. So we're going to click every 30 seconds, okay? And then you're going to click Publish. If Google will ask you, are you sure you want to publish this selection? Click OK. So now you have a link here, and I want you to copy that link. On your desktop, on your computer, you might click Control C. If you're using a Mac, Command C, or on your mouse, you can click to copy, like so. So whatever works for you. So you've clicked to copy. You're going to exit that. You're going to open a new tab, and you're going to paste it. So you can paste it by clicking Paste, or Control V, or Command V. Enter. Oh, go back a step. We're going to Control V, paste it, and you can see the 3 here. We're actually going to change that 3 to a 2. So click behind the 3, delete or backspace, and replace that with the number 2, then click Enter. Your presentation will now have 20-second transitions. If you click play, you will see that it will transition in 20 seconds. Okay, so we're going to do that for your final presentation. Now you can stop, you can exit that, you can go back to your slides, and you can still add, change, delete things from your presentation. You just have to remember to click on File when you're ready to present, File, Publish to the Web, change this to every 30 seconds, copy this link to a new page, change the 3 to a 2, click Enter. Okay? I hope this video was helpful, and I can't wait to watch and you all present your pictures. Bye!